Now am I audible? Akash?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now we are going to start. Almost 50 are there. Okay. Now already we have discussed the introductory part related to benzene. Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now we are moving towards actual reactions of electrophilic aromatic substitution which are taking place. Benzene ring. Mic off करा. Now we have already discussed that the characteristics reactions of benzene for substitution, because the complicated and conjugated structure of benzene does not allow the entry of other compounds in its repeat. So basically, what kind of reactions bring about this substitution? Everybody please mute. Okay, so what kind of reagents bring about these substitutions in the benzene and benzenoid compounds? Via which mechanisms they are acting basically? So this we are going to study in this point. So what is the reason behind why these benzene and benzenoid compounds undergo for substitution reactions and not for addition reactions? Because there is a cloud of pi electrons above the plane of benzene ring and below the plane of the benzene ring. And these pi electrons will shows the resonance. This we have discussed already. So now we are going to do the comparison with the electrons of these pi electrons which are loosely held in the benzene ring. Means when we compare the pi electrons with the sigma electrons of the same benzene compound, the pi electrons are loosely held because they are the orbital of the carbon atom, every carbon atom, and there is a overlapping connection between these pi electrons. So these are loosely held. When we माहित वाटतं काय काय जण अजून त्याच लिंकने जॉईन करा आणि तुझा व्हिडिओ ऑफ कर ऑडिओ तुझा नव्हता मला वाटलं तुझा आहे अच्छा ठीक आहे स्टार्ट करतोय आपण परत आले 57 आहे हा झाले जॉईन आहेत ते मीच आउट झालेली आहे ना आहेत ओके Okay, we are starting again. So what we have discussed up till now, benzene has a cloud of pi electron. These pi electrons are loosely held. These pi bonds are weak as compared to sigma bonds in the same benzene compound. This we have discussed up till now. Now we are discussing about next that why benzene is undergo only substitution type of reaction and why not addition reaction. What kind of reagents basically this substitution done on the benzene ring? This will be discussed in this topic. So in typical reaction, the benzene rings serve as a source of electron. We know benzene has a pi cloud of electrons. These pi cloud of electrons are continuously rotating. So they are going to form a donut shape of structure. So these electrons which are there on the p orbital of those carbon atoms are loosely held. So that's why this benzene is act as a source of electron. Now when the benzene is acting as a source of electron, that means he is going to show the property of base because he is going to donate the electrons or share the electron. The compound with which they are going to react. Who? The compound which with the benzene is going to react are generally deficient in electron because benzene is rich in electron. So that means always he is going to react with the compounds which are basically deficient in the electron. So that's why benzene is undergo what type of reaction? Or those compounds are known as electrophilic reagents. Electrophilic means electron loving. So they are going to attract the electrons from the benzene ring. That means the another compound is going to show the property of acids as benzene is going to show the property of base. So just in the reactions of alkene, alkenes means carbon-carbon double bond containing compounds. They are going to go for generally what type of reactions? Electrophilic addition reaction. Why? Because the double bond across the carbon-carbon double bond will add the electrons in the structure. But as benzene is also having alternate double bonds, they may also go for what type of reaction? Addition reaction as like that of alkene. But this is not the case with who? Benzene. Benzene is generally going for what type of reaction? Electrophilic substitution reaction. Why? Because we have already discussed the conjugated structure of benzene. The double bond is continuously rotating on in the structure of benzene. So these reactions are basically characteristics or specific, not only for the benzene compounds. So this is specific for all those compounds which are coming under the family of benzene. That means benzene and benzene derivatives. So all are going for what type of reaction? Electrophilic substitution reaction and not for the addition reaction. Now what are those electrophilic substitution reactions? Electrophilic aromatic substitution includes, what are these reactions or series of reaction? Includes nitration, halogenation, sulfonation and Friedel-Crafts reaction. Under Friedel-Crafts reaction, it is Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. So these 6 type of reactions are done by the all benzene compounds and benzene derivatives. But the compounds which are highly reactive than benzene, along with this, they are also going for nitrization and diazo coupling reaction. These highly reactive compounds are also go for nitration, halogenation, sulfonation and Friedel-Crafts reaction. Along with this, they go for nitrization and diazo coupling reaction. Those compounds which are having highly reactive ring in their structure. Now next, what are those reactions? These are basically nitration. So benzene is going to replace one of the hydrogen atom with the help of substituent group. So when it is reacting with nitric acid, he is going to form nitrobenzene in the presence of sulfuric acid. When it's react with sulfuric acid, so he is undergo sulfonation reaction. So there is formation of benzene sulfonic acid. So this reaction we will discuss in detail later on. Now next with halogenation, addition of halogen in the structure of benzene. Again we are going to substitute one of the hydrogen atom. So formation of chlorobenzene. Then second halogen, that is bromine. So there is formation of bromobenzene. Under Friedel-Crafts alkylation, he is going to substitute alkyl group in the structure of benzene. So again, we are going to replace one of the hydrogen atom with the help of alkyl group. So there is formation of alkyl benzene. And in case of Friedel-Crafts acylation, we are going to substitute acyl functionality inside the structure of benzene. So these are all reactions done, or these all reactions are favorable for benzene and benzenoid compounds. Now, what will be the effect of substituent group when benzene and their derivatives are going for electrophilic substitution reaction? So what is the importance and what is the role of basically the substituent group, any substituent group? What are those substituent group that we will discuss in coming slide? Before that, we will discuss some of the terminologies. And now what are those? A group which make the benzene ring more reactive than the normal benzene ring. When we are going to substitute any functional group, whether it is at ortho position or meta or para position. So these are the positions. Again, here there is ortho and here is meta. And 1,4 position always denoted as a para position. So whenever we are going to substitute any functionalities in the ring at any position, if this will active the group or makes the compound more reactive, then those compounds are known as activating group. Second one, if any functional group will decreases the reactivity of benzene ring, then those compounds are coming under the category of deactivating group. Now next, a group which cause attack at ortho and para position. So these are the positions. So if there is substitution in this position, whether it is here and here, if the group is always substituted at this position, then it is known as ortho-director. Then if the substitutions are always taking place on here and here at para position, then it is known as para-director. Some of the functional groups are both directing, that is at ortho and para-directing. So those compounds are known as ortho-para-director. And a group which cause always attack on cheaply, so there is less specific or less amount of functional groups will act on this position, so they are known as meta-director. Now what are these actual functional groups and the examples of functional groups? Those are ortho-director, meta-director or para-director. So these are the functional groups which are denoted here, that means hydroxyl, bicarbonate, methyl and all halogen family, fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. So these are basically less amount or cheaply at ortho position, moderately on para position, but basically on higher basis and higher amount they are going to act on both position, that is ortho and para position, and least amount and cheaply they are going to act as meta position. These all 7 member of compounds, that is hydroxyl, bicarbonate and methyl, and all halogen atoms are basically what type of director or what coming under the family of which compound? Ortho para director. Whereas the 6 number of compounds, that is nitro, dimethylamine, cyanide, acid, sulfonate, sulfurous acid and aldehyde, these substitutions are generally meta-director and they are cheaply ortho-para as well as ortho and para-director. So you have to by heart this table, which functional groups are ortho-director, which are para-director, which are ortho and para-director both, and what are these functional groups are generally or specifically acting on meta-director. That means by looking at this table, we can judge that majority number of groups will act on ortho-para position and less number of substitutions are taking place on meta position. So in this way, it is found that every group can be put into one of the 2 classes, either ortho-para director or meta director. So this is only the classification. Either we can categorize those compound under ortho-para director or as a meta director. So above table will summarizes us that the orientation of nitration in number of benzene rings. So here, when we were go for nitration of benzene ring, so the nitro group, they have given us under the category of meta substitution. That means the substitution of nitro group will always prefer what type of substitution or what type of orientation. They are always going to prefer the meta orientation, and they are not going to prefer the ortho para orientation. The 5 positions open to attack. If we are going for nitration in the benzene ring, basically the 5 positions are open to attack. 2 ortho, 2 meta and 1 para position, because it is already substituted with R group. So out of these 5 positions, 60% of the substitutions will take place at what position? Ortho and para position. So out of this 5, 2 are ortho, 2 are para. That means 4 number of positions are there will be substituted under ortho para, and only 2 positions are there. 1 and 2, only 2 positions are vacant to do what type of substitution? Meta substitution. So out of these 6 carbon atoms, 4 carbon atoms are go for ortho para substitution. That means if we can compare or we can take the 100% substitutions in the benzene ring, out of this 60% substitutions will be done on ortho para position and remaining 40% will be done on meta position. If there were no selectivity in the substitution reaction, this is all we have discussed up till now, the selectivity. There are functional groups which are selectively acting on ortho para position. There are functional groups they are selectively acting on meta position. But if there were no selectivity in the substitution reaction, that time we would expect that the ortho para isomers will take up the 60% of the product. Up till now we have discussed that the selectivity in the substitution, majority of the functional group will act on ortho and para position and less amount will be acting on meta position. But if any functional group, if it is not in selective in nature, that time the compound produced by that reaction will be 60% product is of ortho para director and remaining 40% will be of meta director. Because in given table we have seen that these halogen family and hydroxyl bicarbonate and methyl, majority 98 to 100% they are acting at a ortho and para position, where they are least amount acting on meta position. But this family of compound, that is nitro, cyanide, acids, aldehydes, are basically 70 to 94% will be acting on meta position. So if the functional group is not selective or there is no any selectivity, that time we can assume that the 60% of the product is of ortho para director, or they are going to produce ortho para isomer, and remaining 40% will be of meta isomer. So we see that 7 groups will be undergo 96 to 100% they are undergo nitration at ortho and para position, and remaining 70 to 94% is at meta position. Now, how we can determine the reactivities of those functionalities or reactivities of these positions, ortho, meta and para? A group is classified as activating group. This we have already discussed. A group which is going to make the ring active, or we can call it as a activating functional group, which convert the ring more reactive than benzene. A compound which will deactivate the benzene ring, we can categorize them under the less reactive benzene. And those reactivities of the benzene and substituted benzene are compared. So if we can compare the on-reactive benzene or non-substituted benzene with substituted benzene. So we can done the comparison in following ways. The time required for the substitution. So normal benzene and substituted benzene, if we can compare their reactivities, whether the normal benzene ring is active or whether the substituted benzene ring is active. So in what manner we can compare them? The time required for the reactions to occur under any identical condition. So both the compounds, normal benzyl compound and substituted benzene compound, for them we are going to provide a same conditions, undergo any reaction. So, and we can compare their reactions. So under identical conditions, we are going to determine the reaction kinetics of both reactions, normal benzene and substituted benzene. Thus, as we just saw, the toluene is found to react with fuming sulfuric acid in about 1/10 to 1/20th the time required by the benzene. So this is an example when we are going to react a toluene, that is methyl substituted benzene is known as toluene. So we can, when we can react the toluene and benzene with fuming sulfuric acid. So there is a comparison of reaction with benzene and toluene. When benzene is react with fuming nitric acid, he is going to form a benzene sulfonic acid, and toluene when react with sulfonic acid, he is going to form toluene sulfonic acid. But the reaction rate of toluene when we can compare with benzene, it is higher, that is 1/10 to 1/20th the time required by the benzene. So toluene is faster in nature as compared to the benzene. So toluene we can say here as a more reactive than benzene. Why toluene is more reactive than benzene? Because we have substituted benzene. In the case of toluene, we have substituted methyl functional group. In the case of toluene, that means this methyl functional group will make the toluene compound more reactive than benzene. That means this methyl functional group is activating group. Now, the severity of the reactions, second comparison or second point of comparison is severity of the conditions required for the comparative reactions to occur with the same period of time. First comparison we have done on the kinetics, which type of reaction conditions we are providing them. Now second condition is time required for the reaction, whether toluene is faster or toluene will require less amount of time as compared to benzene. This we are going to compare. For example, now second example of substitution group, when benzene is nitrated in less than an hour at 60 degrees centigrade by a mixture of concentrated sulfuric acid and concentrated nitric acid. So when benzene is undergo nitration in the presence of sulfuric acid and nitric acid, a comparable reaction, nitration of nitrobenzene, requires a treatment of 90 degrees centigrade to react with nitric acid and sulfuric acid. So this is an second example. When in first case we have compared benzene with toluene. In this case we are comparing nitrobenzene with benzene. When benzene is undergo nitration, he will require a temperature, or benzene will require a temperature of 60 degrees centigrade in the presence of sulfuric acid and nitric acid. But this is not the case with a compound nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene will require higher temperature than benzene. It will require a 90 degrees centigrade temperature with presence of nitric acid and sulfuric acid. That means when we are substituting nitro functional group in the benzene, it will reduces the reactivity of this benzene ring. That means we can summarize or we can conclude the nitro group is deactivating that benzene ring. Whereas in earlier case, the toluene, that is methyl substituted benzene, that is toluene, will activate the benzene ring. Here in this case, the nitro functional group will deactivate the benzene ring. That's why the nitrobenzene compound requires higher temperature as compared to a normal benzene ring to do the nitration. So nitrobenzene is evidently less reactive than benzene because it is requiring higher temperature. That means we can conclude that the nitro group is coming under the category of deactivating group. So how we are going to classify these substituent group? The method described in the earlier cases, it has been used to determine the effects of great number of groups which are undergo what type of reaction? Electrophilic substitution reaction. So we can classify them, these functional groups, under activating at what position? Orthopara director, because we have discussed that 60% of the cases that the reaction will proceed for ortho and para position, and 40% there is possibility that the functional group will react at meta position. So we are classifying those substituent group in two categories. First category is activating on ortho para directing, and second category is deactivating, which is there at meta directing. So the halogens, already we have discussed in that table, the halogens are the class by themselves, they are coming under the category of deactivating but at ortho and para directing. So in the table itself we have discussed that halogen compounds are deactivating functional group, but they are acting at what position? Ortho and para director. So the halogens are in a class by themselves. They are undergo the class of deactivating benzene ring, but coming under the category of ortho and para director. So this is an image showing us that what type of functionalities will increases the reactivities and will decreases the reactivity. So benzene is the middle of the compound. If we are substituting these type of functionalities, that is alkyl, acyl, amine, hydroxyl, amide or benzene, so they are going to increase the reactivity of the functional group. And if we substitute nitro, trimethylamine, cyanide, acid, aldehyde, at what position? At meta position will generally reduces or deactivates the benzene ring. Now, effects of group on the electrophilic aromatic substitutions. If the compound is substituted at ortho-para director, what type of functional groups are more active? These are amine and hydroxyl group. They are strongly activating those benzene ring. Moderately activating, examples of moderately acting functional groups are amide and methoxy. So these are methoxy or ethoxy coming under the category of moderately activating functional group. Weakly activating functional group at what position? Ortho and para positions are benzyl and methyl. So methyl, ethyl, benzyl, these are weakly activating, but at what position? At ortho and para position. And the functional groups which are coming under the category of deactivating meta positions are meta directors are nitro, trimethylamine, cyanide, acids, hydrosulfonate or aldehyde. So these are all coming under the category of deactivating meta directors. And the deactivating ortho-para director, this is an exceptional case. See, the halogen family of compounds are ortho-para directors, but they are basically deactivating the ring. Then also they are coming under the category of ortho-para director because they are substituted at that positions. Which positions? Ortho and para positions. That's why they are coming under the category of ortho-para director. But the important word is they are deactivating or they decreasing the reactivity of the benzene ring. So this is an important classification. Which functional groups are coming under the which category you should identify. Okay, now we know that example of bromination of nitrobenzene. Now just we have discussed that the nitro function will deactivate the benzene ring. When we are substituting the bromine in nitrobenzene, will yield cheaply the product which is generally a meta isomer, and the reaction will go more slowly than the bromination of benzene. Why? Because we have substituted deactivating group in the benzene ring, that is nitro group. So when we are comparing the bromination of nitrobenzene with bromination of benzene, the bromination of nitrobenzene will require much time as compared to a normal benzene ring. So it provides the required, and also it requires severe conditions as compared to benzene ring. So this is all about we have discussed today. What are the functional groups? Are orthopara directors. What are the functional groups? Are orthopara both directors? And what are the functionalities? They are coming under the category of meta director. Generally, meta directors are deactivating the ring. Orthopara directors are activating the ring, but exceptional cases are halogen family of compounds. They are orthopara director, but they are deactivating the benzene ring. And classification of substituent group, we have classified those substituent group in two categories. Those activating orthopara directing are categorized under activating orthopara directors, and second category is deactivating meta director. And functional groups coming under those all categories are orthopara directors, activating orthopara directors, moderately activating and weakly activating. Then those are deactivating, and exceptional cases halogen family of the compounds, they are deactivating the ring but ortho and para directors. So now we are going to stop here because new point we will start in next lecture.